All right, guys. So I know you're thinking this might be like really tough to do when we're stuck in our own homes, right? But people get really creative with this, and that's exactly what we're going to do. We're going to be sending our messages um, virtually to people, and we're going to try to send as many positive messages to people in our community as we possibly can over the next 15 minutes or so. In this slide, there are some ideas about what you can do for sending messages, whether it's a friend, a classmate, a teacher, or just someone that you've been wanting to talk to for a while. I encourage you to talk to as many people and send as many positive messages as you can. We're going to be doing this using our Outlook apps. There's a video on the next slide walking you through exactly how to send an email. And if you're super stuck, reach out to your advisor. And worst case scenario is you send them your message and who you want it to, and your advisor will pass it along to that person. Um, so it's going to be fun. And the last thing that I'm going to mention is don't be upset if you don't get a message. This isn't about receiving anything. You're going to feel amazing just by sending people messages and putting positivity out in our community that way. It's going to make your day. Um, and the way you're going to make people feel is going to be incredible, and it's going to be contagious. So have a blast. Try to include as many people as you can. And yeah, I'll see you guys later.